Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Cher Cher. Now, this year I'm switching things up from my regular festive DIYs, and I thought it would be so fun to do something more interactive to make with your family at home. Or maybe you're gonna send these ingredients to your loved ones to enjoy virtually. Now, today we're going to make a super easy drink recipe that will definitely help to make your holidays sparkle. The Holiday Berry Sparkler takes about a few minutes to prepare, and I'll show you the cocktail and mocktail versions, so there's something for everyone. I am all about DIYs, so let's learn how to make this Holiday Berry Sparkler. Here's what you'll need to make one serving, and of course, just multiply the measurements if you are planning on making more, because the more, the merrier. And trust me, these will go really fast. 1 ounce of pomegranate or cranberry juice, 4 ounces of champagne, fresh thyme, fresh pomegranate seeds, and as an option, you can have some raspberries or blueberries on hand. Now, if you're making a non-alcoholic mocktail, just substitute the champagne with ginger ale, white grape juice, and go with a 2-to-1 ratio, so you want more ginger ale. And then add a splash of pineapple juice and set that aside. Now, for the mocktail, one little tip that I have is make sure that you pour the juice first and then top up with the ginger ale so you have more bubbles. Start by adding some pomegranate seeds or fresh berries to the bottom of the champagne flute. Then add your chilled pomegranate juice. Top the glass up with some chilled champagne or mock champagne. And as a last little detail, all you need to do is take your sprig of thyme, pierce it through a berry, whether it's a raspberry or a blueberry or maybe even both, and then rest that on top of the glass and you are ready to serve. You can also use frozen berries to help keep your drink chilled. It's just that simple, and you can have some fun with the family to create your own personalized cocktail or mocktail. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get inspired to create your own signature cocktail this holiday season. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. The recipe is in the description below, and I will be back soon with a brand new video to help you get things done simply. I will see you all in the new year. Happy holidays from my family to yours.